So, hello everyone. Hello everyone. So, apparently, my last video was not recorded properly. I don't know. This is the downside of using two screens. But, anyways, today I'll talk about the length function in Terraform. So, what the length function in Terraform does is it determines the length of a given list, map, or string. So, whenever you pass a string in the length function, so it will return you the number of characters in the string. For example, if you look at this example, length of hello, right? So how many characters does hello have? HELLO, 5 characters, and it returns the length 5. Similarly, you check the if you want to check the length of a map or an object, right? So what you do is you pass that object, and since it what it does is considers the key and value as one. So when key and value are considered as one, so it returns the length one because there is only one object inside it. Quite simple. Now talking about the array. So in array, if you pass, so here we see that it's a array of strings, right? And there are two elements in it, so it will return two length. And similarly, an empty array would return the length 0. So the main use case of the length function is when you are trying to foolproof your loop inside a module or a resource. For example, you are doing a for each inside a module or a resource, and you don't want your code to fail just because the list that is being passed to it is empty, right? So you can just put a check to that using the if else thing, right? And you're just adding a check that if the length is not 0 or if length is greater than 0, only then do for each. This would save you times, make your code better, and result in less errors. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.